Buy the wrong mower, and you either lack power or end up buying the battery separately. Today, only complete kits, battery and charger included. So, you are in the market for a new cordless lawnmower. It is a pretty exciting upgrade. Quieter, cleaner, and no more trips to the gas station. But the landscape has gotten complicated. Buy the wrong mower and you either lack power or end up buying the battery separately. Today, only complete kits, battery and charger included. We are cutting through the noise so you can unbox, charge, and go. We will focus on 3 things: cutting power and cut quality, self-propel feel and maneuverability, and folding or storage. We picked 5 complete kits with clear strengths. The goal is clarity. By the end, you will know which kit fits your lawn and budget. Kicking things off is the Greenworks Pro 80V, model MO80L410. It lands in the best price category for a reason. You are getting an 80V system, battery included, charger included. For a standard suburban lawn, it is a very compelling package without a massive upfront cost. On regular maintained lawns, the 80V motor provides a clean, consistent cut. The 21-inch steel deck is durable with good mulching and bagging. Let the grass get tall or wet, and it can start to work harder than premium models. It has the voltage, but not the same high torque output as pricier tiers. Self-Propel is simple and responsive at a comfortable walking pace. It is one of the lighter 80V mowers, so it feels nimble. Folding and upright storage saves serious space. Next up, the Greenworks Pro 80V, model MO80L510. It looks similar and shares the same DNA, but it bridges the gap to premium tiers. The brushless motor delivers higher torque, maintaining cut quality in tougher conditions. In fast-growing seasons, that extra grunt improves speed and efficiency. Self-propel engagement feels smoother and more confident on slight inclines. Trade-off: a slight bump in weight makes tight. Drive-off maneuvering a touch less flickable. Storage remains excellent with quick folding and stable upright parking. For many with denser turf or uneven yards, the upgrade is worth it. And of course, it is a complete kit. Go is the benchmark name here. This is the Power Plus Self-Propelled, model LM2135SP. It balances power, cut quality, maneuverability, and storage exceptionally well. The 56-volt platform, with a high-efficiency brushless motor, handles thick grass with confidence and leaves a great finish. Polydeck means rust-proof and lighter, though some prefer steel for feel. Dial plus trigger give intuitive variable speed. Large wheels and balance make obstacle work easy. LEDs help at dusk. One-hand folding collapses into a compact, stable vertical footprint. The trade-off is price. It sits mid to high in the market, backed by a strong ecosystem and reliability. For most buyers, it is the best overall buy, and its popularity reflects that balance. Top of the line from Ego, model LM2156SP. For big lawns, challenging terrain, and anyone who never wants to worry about power. Select Cut XP uses 2 counter-rotating blades for finer clippings, better mulching, and top-tier cut quality. It delivers the most torque in this lineup and cruises through demanding conditions. It is also the heaviest here, but the drive is so strong and responsive you barely feel it while moving. Storage mirrors the other Ego. Quick, compact, stable. If performance is your priority, this is the flagship. Quick recap: best price, more power for taller grass, best cut, best overall buy, and the most pro. Links in the description with the current Amazon price. Thanks for watching.